What's the most valuable resource any seller needs to create a successful online business? I'll give you a hint. It's not money, it's time. Both how you spend it and how you save it. What's going on, folks? It's Talish here from Printify. And online sellers spend a lot of time handling customer service to improve their store's reputation. But is there a way to offer both great service and save time in the process? The answer might surprise you, which is why I'm excited to get into it. Chatbots. Ever go to a store site and immediately see a chat bubble pop up asking if you need any help? Odds are you might have wondered how it was possible that the site's seller got to you so fast. The truth is, they didn't. A computer program did. See, that's what bots are. Programs that interact with buyers in real time to answer questions and deal with issues. And they can be incredibly useful tools for your online business. But how do they do this exactly? Well, most chatbots operate in one of two ways. Some are based on rules, meaning they only provide specific answers to specific questions, both of which you'd have to set it up with beforehand, like answers to frequently asked questions. The other type of bot uses artificial intelligence to understand your buyer's intent. It can talk to them to learn how they feel, what they want, make recommendations, and even connect a buyer directly to you if a question is too complicated for it to answer. Now sure, this is a neat trick and all, but can they actually help you save time and sell more? They can, and here's how. Customers online not only want good service, they also want it fast and 24/7. And if you offer products on multiple sales channels, that's a lot of attention for you to provide. That's where bots come in. A study found they reduce customer service interactions by 80%. That means more time left for you to create designs, publish listings, and market your products. Think of bots as that one employee that knows everything you needed to know and never gets tired. However, they can also encourage customers to take the next step of their sales journey. They decrease cart abandonment by providing immediate answers to a buyer's concerns. They can offer post-sale support with information about order tracking, refunds, and returns, and they can even gather feedback to improve visitor experience and increase those returning buyers. All this support not only means more satisfied customers, but also more sales completed. But are bots only useful if you have a standalone store and don't sell on a marketplace? Let's find out. It's true, chatbots are functions you can build into your own store page and not a marketplace. But that's because marketplaces offer their own support, which may or may not include bots. But just because you sell on a marketplace doesn't mean you still can't take advantage of them. Social media sites like Facebook and Instagram can have bots incorporated into store pages, while other bots can connect with buyers through messaging apps like WhatsApp or Telegram. So how can you understand if using a bot is the right move for your online store? Well, I'd start by answering these three questions. How much time do you spend on customer service? And do you need help? What kind of services do you want your bot to perform? And is the cost of the bot worth the effort you want it to replace? Once you know that, you'll be well on your way to choosing the right bot or not. Optimizing your online store for success comes from having a solution-based mindset by identifying what's holding your sales back and finding the tools and information that can help. And one way to find all that information for free is by subscribing to our YouTube channel. Give us a thumbs up if this video helped you, and as usual, comment any questions down below. See you next time.